In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Amazon customer service. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step in reaching Amazon's customer service is to head to the main Amazon page. You can do this by simply typing Amazon into your web browser, or if you're on your phone, you can open the app. Once you're there, you're in the right place to start your journey towards getting the help you need. Next, you will see three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon or All button. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a list of categories which might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're getting closer to what you need. Once the menu is open, scroll down a bit until you find the option for customer service. This link is your gateway to everything related to customer support. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page that shows your recently purchased products along with their details. This is really useful because it can help you specify what you need assistance with. Now, look for the product related to your issue. Click on that item. This is crucial because it allows you to contact customer service about a specific purchase. The website will then present you with a list of common issues that customers face regarding that particular product. Take your time to read through the list and click on the problem you are experiencing. This will make your inquiry more focused and efficient when you eventually reach out to customer service. Once you've selected your issue, you will see an option that says Continue to Customer Service. Click on it to move forward in the process. At this point, you'll arrive at a more interactive customer service page that gives you two main options. You can either chat with a representative or request a phone call. Decide which one you prefer for assistance. If you opt for a phone call, click on Request a Phone Call. You'll be taken to a new page where you can select your preferred language. This is a great feature since it allows you to communicate in the language you are most comfortable with. After you choose your language, you'll be prompted to click on Request Call Now. This is the final step before entering your details. You will need to enter your mobile number on the next screen. Make sure you double-check your number to avoid any mix-ups. Once you submit your number, hold tight. You should receive a call from Amazon's customer service team shortly. They are typically pretty quick, and you'll find that they are here to assist you with whatever issues you might have. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can navigate through Amazon's website to get in touch with customer service quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guidance. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your inquiries.